Brad requested my red kidney bean chili. So this is one of the first recipes that convinced Brad that he too could eat healthy. Add some salt. That's gonna help release the moisture. Garlic. Chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and don't forget the cinnamon, baby. Okay. Add some kidney beans, leaving some of that juice in there. Whole peeled tomatoes, green chilies. We in Colorado, baby. Maple syrup, not pancake syrup. Some Tabasco. Give it a mash. Veggie broth. A little more salt. Pepper. The best dark chocolate you can find. Let it simmer on low. Our chili is done cooking. Quinoa and some white rice. Some chives. Cashew sour cream. Gorgeous. Babe, you're gonna love this.
Yeah.